Appointment. Appointment.
I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Can I schedule an appointment for tomorrow?
Is there an appointment available this week?
Clinic. Clinic.
Can you give me the clinic's address?
I need to go to the clinic.
Is this the right clinic for a checkup?
Reception. Reception.
Where is the reception area?
Please go to the reception to register.
The reception is on the first floor.
Fill out. Fill out.
Please fill out this form.
You need to fill out your personal details.
Did you fill out the insurance information?
Examination. Examination.
The doctor will do a full examination.
I need to have a blood examination.
Can you tell me about the examination process?
Symptoms. Symptoms.
What symptoms are you experiencing?
I have symptoms of a cold.
Please describe your symptoms.
Medical history. Medical history.
Do you have a medical history of allergies?
The doctor will ask about your medical history.
I need to provide my medical history.
Fever. Fever. I have a high fever.
How long have you had the fever?
The fever started last night.
Headache. Headache.
I have a severe headache.
Do you often get headaches?
My headache won't go away.
Pain. Pain.
Where do you feel the pain?
The pain is in my lower back.
I have sharp pain in my side.
Sore throat. Sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Does your sore throat hurt when you swallow?
My sore throat has lasted for 3 days.
Cough. Cough.
I have a persistent cough.
Is your cough dry or productive?
I cough mostly at night.
Nausea. Nausea.
I feel nauseous all the time.
Does nausea come with vomiting?
The nausea started after I ate.
Dizziness. Dizziness.
I often feel dizzy when I stand up.
How long have you been feeling dizzy?
The dizziness comes and goes.
Ache. Ache. I have a dull ache in my muscles.
Does the ache get worse at night?
The ache started after I exercised.
Prescription. Prescription.
The doctor gave me a prescription.
Where can I fill this prescription?
Please take the prescription to the pharmacy.
Medication. Medication.
How often should I take this medication?
Are there any side effects of this medication?
I forgot to take my medication.
Rest. Rest.
You need to rest for a few days.
Make sure you get plenty of rest.
Rest will help you recover faster.
Hydrate. Hydrate.
Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated.
Staying hydrated is very important.
How can I stay hydrated?
Dosage. Dosage.
What is the recommended dosage?
Take the correct dosage as prescribed.
Did you take the right dosage?